Hi guys, my name is Briar and this is my entry for the New Zealand NYX Face Awards. My concept for this design was to combine the flora and fauna of my homeland into an out-of-this-world creature. I did this using the native Paua shell in prosthetic form and added silver ferns to the hair in a bohemian warrior type style. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Beginning, we take the NYX Pore Filler Primer and we apply that to my ginger porcelain fair skin. She's getting a bit red because she's a bit sensitive, but that's okay, it just happens when you're fair. Now I'm putting on a white base foundation because I'm trying to make myself super pale, even more pale than I already am. And to do that, I have to use white. And we forgot to take the earrings out. Whoopsie. Okay, and now I'm spot concealing also with a white concealer. Alright, let's get to it. What are we doing now, Briar? Powdering. Powdering, yep, that's right. I'm gonna powder my face. And now the eyeshadow journey begins. Here we are, blending on the brow bone, where my eyebrows should be. Really, you can't see them most of the time. So we're gonna make them blue. We're gonna make them really blue today. Blend, blend, blend. And onto my nose as well. I've fortunately been blessed with a lovely slender nose. My contour's gonna look super great. I'm making myself have a bit of a beak. Oh yeah, so we've added more depth with darker blue shadows to create more of a chasm in my eye socket. And we just blend, 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 blend. Oh my god, I love blending. And oh, she's gonna go in a bit dangerous. Blue contour. And back it on the nose because you can never have enough nose contour. So I'm applying this prosthetic that I sculpted and moulded and just going around the edges with a bit of skin safe glue to get them down really stuck. I pre-painted this piece. It's supposed to be a Paua. Let's hope that translates well. And here I am, beautiful, going in with the hairdryer. Now we're just going around colour correcting those edges so they can match my skin on my chest as best as possible, laying down a good foundation for the colours that are going to go on top. And now we're adding some of that same white base now onto my bosom area. Bosom, that's a good word. Yep, up and around, getting right in on those skin flap edges that I sculpted. And onto the neck. Making sure most of my chest is covered as possible. Blending along the way. Got to suck in as much as we can. Create some depth around the collarbone and throat area. Okay, now I begin with the paint. Bra straps down. Oh, showing off a bit of shoulder. Scandalous. Okay, so now we're going in with a dark blue water activated paint. I'll try and get it sporadic as possible and bringing that again onto the forehead as a contour to make the look as cohesive as possible. Then we're going in with a lighter, more sky blue shade. What we're trying to do is just replicate as much as we can the colours that you see in the Paua shell there. Just blend, blend, blend. Add that right into the collarbone and throat area. Now we're going in with a lighter green. Paua shells are really interesting. They've got lots of different colours in them. Like when you first look at them, they look like a turquoisey tealy colour, like what I'm putting on right now, but they've just got so much depth to them. Getting a bit of purple, and now we're going in with some black. Add some depth. I just realised that my collarbones aren't as sharp as I would like them. So I'm just gonna add a bit of lightness, as you can see here, back in. And then we're just gonna blend some of those colours onto the neck a bit more. And now we're going in with some shimmer, my favourite part. We're going in with a bit of silver, because Pauas are a little bit reflective. They've got some shimmery colours in them, a bit silvery, and also, if you look really closely, a bit peachy, a bit golden. So we'll also be going in with some golden peach. And now we're just going in, redefining those jaw contours. Now we're adding NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk into the waterline. I realised that my contour was a bit lower on one side, so we're just evening those out, strengthening them up, and adding a bit more depth with some darker shadows, as you can see right here. and into the forehead. Plus we've also added lashes and contact lenses. Strengthening up the nose contour as well, bringing it down a little bit further and adding a bit more highlight and blend. And with a bit of editing magic, she has changed, and we're applying the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the colour Stockholm to finish the look up. And that's my tutorial. Thanks guys.